are here at Adam's garden and house, and this is place near Narita Airport. So in one half to the airport, very easy to come. Well, I came because we met at Bonsai time ago.
Yeah, like
And,
10 years ago, I think.
Almost, and no, almost no. See, almost. And well, the thing is, well, we keep in contact, and I'm very happy to see how he create from nothing this garden. And it's a lovely place, a lovely house, and well, a place that I recommend you to come and enjoy with. So you are now what? What is your business now? Because
Yeah, well, so I'm running a professional bonsai garden, treehouse bonsai. Everybody, yeah.
yeah, you can follow in Instagram
yeah,
and
all that good stuff. So yeah, I mean we're doing a lot of work here domestically with some customers here, but also we help a lot of our international friends, our bonsai friends, to doing exporting for trees, or we're running some classes. We have a school for people that are interested to come to Japan and study some more about bonsai here, you know, in the mecca of bonsai.
and well, you have some desis, some real bonsai
for sure.
students.
Yeah, have some.
Well, the thing is, he was a student in Bonsai, so maybe the most international and traditional bonsai garden in
Bonsai, man, it's got a history to it.
Yeah,
I'm
it's,
proud to be.
Yeah, pure story. So he was working there, and he finished the study and was licensed and is recognized as a professional bonsai professional.
Bonsai professional. There you go.
Yeah.
Bonsai professional.
Yeah, so it's not easy to do.
Yeah.
So yeah.
But, you know, because of that, because I'm familiar with how hard it is to study bonsai in Japan, you know, so I wanted to have a place here, and I wanted to be able to help other people come and learn about bonsai here in Japan without having to have such a struggle to communicate with the language and things like that. I already did that,
Yeah,
so that
you're
my
like,
students don't have to.
Yeah, you're like the connection.
Yes, there you
The
go.
connection between two
The bridge.
different, the bridge
Yeah.
between two worlds, very different worlds, and not only for learning bonsai, which is important, but also to buy bonsai in Japan.
To access the material of Japanese bonsai, because of course we do a lot of exporting. We have the quarantine facilities to export to Europe and to America and to many other countries as well. And so, you know, there's the skill sets involved with bonsai, but then there's actually the material, the trees and the pots and the stands and things like that.
Yeah, and the knowledge to do
Put them all together.
Yeah, yeah, that is the good thing. So yeah, it's very nice because very easy with. Well, I import bonsai from Japan every year, and it's not easy. So because Japanese are different. It's a different culture. Not always things work as you wish. Sometimes you are speaking with them, but it's like you are talking something different. But well, Adam is for how long has you been living in Japan?
12 years.
12 years already. He have his family here, and can make everything very easy for professionals who want to import the bonsai container or pots or whatever.
Yeah.
And this is really priceless. So I've changed many times of dealer. What is the so just always there's something difficult. And
we try to make everything as streamlined as we possibly can, because there are necessarily some hurdles involved with this game.
Yeah, and it's American so the mentality is it's American, so makes everything much easier, in my opinion.
Thanks.
In my opinion. Yes, I think so.
We try.
anyway, but
Yeah.
lovely place for to visit or whatever.
Yeah, so I recommend if you have the opportunity, if you're in Japan for any reason, bonsai or otherwise, please look me up on all the socials, Facebook and Twitter and Insta. I guess it's called X now. So look me up, come on over. You're always welcome for a visit or a class or to do some shopping. So thank you so much.